Okay, so I opened up the hood. This is a 2008 2500 series Chevy with the diesel engine in it. And if you look, this is the power supply box that's inside the engine compartment. So basically what you're going to want to do is you lift that off. I'm going to try to do this with just one hand, hold the camera. So you see these two terminal posts right here. Well, the one here on the left, it's going to go to this fuse right here, which is a 30 amp fuse, and then this one right here is a 40 amp fuse. So now what GM has done on these cars or trucks is that they haven't actually hooked up for the 7-way, the power supply. So if you trace way down here by the brake lines and back down in here, you're going to find this wire it's going to be taped typically around this wiring harness. I've already released it and pulled it, and it comes all the way up here. So this is the one, they actually match. So this goes to the smaller one right here, which is the 40 amp. So basically you just have to get a nut that's going to fit this size and clamp that down. Now if you don't already have an electronic brake control for your trailer in here too, right here on the right hand side you'll see connected to this wiring harness is this other wire, which will have an end on it too, which is the bigger one, and that one's going to connect to here, and that gives you power supply to your electronic brake inside the truck.